Unleash your inner athlete with the new Active Pro Smartwatch. Now available in this new form factor, the Active Pro range now has something for everyone. In this slimmer design comes a simplified interface focused on bringing out the best performance when you're working up a sweat. With its bright screen and easy to use interface, this model is great for all ages. It's super lightweight, the strap is comfy, and the case includes these ridges on either side to protect the screen from any scratches. Let's begin by powering up the watch by holding down the button for 5 seconds. Our main screen shows us the time, our step counter, and the date. If you don't fancy this home screen, just hold down the button for 2 seconds and a new one will appear. There are even more designs in the app if you wish to load them onto the watch. Alright, let's dive into the features. We just use the home button to cycle through the functions, starting with your step counter, distance traveled, calories burned, sleep time, heart rate monitor, your blood pressure, blood oxygen, and your activity mode. Then a menu that includes notifications, settings, a timer, and a Find My Phone feature. To get the most out of this gadget, we're going to have to download the JU Pro app. It's very easy to connect, just hit scan for device and add the device that pops up. Follow the prompts in your phone and now you're all ready to go. I really like this design. It's nice and small. It's just slim back to the basics. Perfect for going out for a run to get your workout data on your phone. And with that, that's the new Active Pro Smartwatch. This one will make a great gift on a budget, so head on over to watchdepot.com.au to check it out.